When it comes to engraving, you can create a lot of cool things from just a sheet of material like this plastic or metal or wood. We could take a sheet like this and turn it into something like name badges. Now, if you see these name badges, yes, I could cut it, or I could buy pre-cut material like this, and then I could put it underneath a fiber or a diode laser and put the logo on here. But I may not get it perfect. The best way to make something like these name badges is to start with a sheet of material, put it in a CO2 cutter like this one, and let the engraving first do its job as far as marking the material, so creating your design, and then going back through and cutting out each individual, in this case, name badge. It's extremely simple to take a sheet, turn it into a ton of name badges, just clean off the excess of the engraving, take a magnetic back that has adhesive on one side, remove the adhesive, grab your back and apply it. It's really that easy to create a high quality name badge. Just buy a sheet in the color that your customer wants, put their logo on it, maybe even drop the name of each employee, cut out the sheet, give it to your customer. There are great margins in making name badges. If you have any questions on how to create custom engraved name badges, please do not hesitate reaching out to us.